Well, thank you everybody for giving me the opportunity. This is my first feature presentation at BNI GPT, and I'm really excited to tell you about Cloudscape. So first of all, who is Cloudscape and what do we do? We are a set of individuals that are really, really focused on helping retailers and wholesalers use modern technology to its full extent and really use tech to simplify their business operations. What do I mean by that? We are a set of consultants who work with retail and wholesale brands across the world, and we help them implement inventory management systems that then become the foundation of their business. Here's the team, here's what we look like. It's not too long ago that it was just me when I set up this business 5 years ago, and we're now really a full team growing surely and strongly. And we do all sorts of helping when we do all services when it comes to implementing inventory management systems. You'll see that as we go through the next few slides. So our verticals, as you've already heard me talk about, retail, distribution, and also F&B. And this is what we've been focusing on in the last 5 years. Now, under retail, we work with all sorts of brands. We've done clothing and shoes, home and garden, lifestyle products. Under distribution, we work with all sorts of wholesalers and food manufacturers. And then within F&B, we've also worked with quick serve restaurants, bar and lounges of all shapes and sizes. However, 2022 is a really interesting year for Cloudscape, and I'm really excited to share this with you, GPT members. 2022, the strategy for 2022 looks very interesting. What does that mean? We're actually getting away from the F&B brand. We're focusing more on retail and distribution. Why have we made that choice? So over the last 5 years, we've seen that the core of our business, as ex-retailers ourselves, has really been helping retail and distribution's brands scale and simplify operations. But we think that there is a more to this future. And we think that the future for retailers and wholesale is seamless. It is omnichannel. The idea of business owners having their customers experience the same set of style and experience when they shop online or offline. It's the same way when they're earning loyalty, when most customers today want to earn and redeem loyalty across channels, whether it's in-store, online. And then from an accounting and finance perspective, also, it's quite complex for business owners to do this with one or two systems. And finally, the employee, we think, also needs to get a better experience. So our approach to helping these business owners is based on 5 different steps. We start with a point of sale and an inventory management system, a cloud-based inventory management system. We then help them integrate that to an accounting and e-commerce platform, take that to the next step, which is a loyalty and marketing system, and then also get them to understand the power of data. So we help implement BI systems that make sense of all of this data across their stores and across their business. No, we don't do this through pure magic. We actually work with 10 different best of breed software systems that we represent from around the world, here in the Middle East and across the world. So when we speak to a client, we're going to be recommending one of these different solutions that will then be implemented, that they will be trained on, and then supported them on. And how does working with Cloudscape, what does a product look like? So the first thing is our product lineup. So we work with our clients on 4 different product lines. The first one is, as you can see on the screen, the business success kit. This is really to do with the consultative idea of talking to the client, getting to know what their business is all about, then doing the implementation, getting them set up with the right system. Once that's set up, we then invite them to be part of the business care package product, which is an ongoing support and training program, which has lots of other features in it. The third thing, as you see on your screen, is the advanced customization and training program. This is for customers that want to take this to the next level and want us to be doing further customization and training for their staff members. And finally, the flagship product of Cloudscape this year is the CloudTV University product. The CloudTV University is an online learning platform for retailers and wholesalers and their staff to come and learn whenever they want, wherever they want, whether it's through their mobile or through their desktop. When we get introduced to a client, what does that look like and how does this really happen? So as I mentioned earlier, we start with that consultation. It cannot happen because no two businesses are the same. So nothing happens without that consultation and understanding what their requirements are. We then design a solution together from what we have already offered. And then we work towards implementation, finally then training, and then we've moved to support. Just to give you a sense of the length and the breadth of the kinds of clients we've worked with, there are so many high-end luxury brands from Roger Vivier to Jacob & Co. to Forever Rose, all the way down to FMCG products. A couple of quick testimonials from our clients that we've received here in the region. We're really honored to be working with some of these brands. They're huge, and we just appreciate that they've given us an opportunity to grow with them. And how can this GPT family really help me? We are looking for connections to accountants and auditors across in your chapters. We're also looking to speak with e-commerce consultants, anybody that helps e-commerce brands scale. Retail and business consultant would be a really good connection. In terms of customers directly, if you know anybody who's running a retail brand who's looking to open a store in your region or here in Dubai, we'd love an introduction. And also there are brands that you know are looking to upgrade their systems. Those would be great connections. That's it from me, Rado and Dante. Thank you for the opportunity. I'll hand it back to you.